Hello everyone. I want again to welcome all of you to this other lesson. Remember, we are still discussing about fundamental strategies of voicing, and specifically we are discussing about different types of speech. And in the last lesson we talked about direct speech, where we said it involves the first person. In this lesson, I want us to talk about another type of speech, which is of course recorded speech. So recorded speech involves words like he said or she said. Uh, Remember, this is rarely used. So recorded speech can also be referred to as indirect speech, whereby you voice what has already been said. So such interpretation is very difficult. So this one calls for all interpreters to fully prepare themselves before handling such type of speech. Remember, this one is rarely used. Of course, in Kenya, where mostly we have a direct speech. So, but in case you have such indirect speech or recorded speech, you make sure you as interpreter, you prepare yourself fully to ensure that you deliver as expected or as it comes from the recorded form, so that you are able to inform the audience fully as expected of you. See you in the next lesson.